Hello and welcome. To solve this logarithmic equation, we are going to start by changing the base of both sides of this equation to base 10. Now, when we apply the change of base formula for logarithms to the left-hand side of this equation, we have log 9x divided by log 8. Of course, you know that when we write log without specifying the base, it means we are working in base 10, common logarithms. And when we apply the change of base formula for logarithms to this right-hand side, we have log 8x divided by log 9. Now, the next step will be to get rid of these two fractions. And how are we going to do that? We are going to cross multiply. So we have that log 9 times this is equal to log 8 times this. Of course, you know that these two are products. This is 9 times x and this is 8 times x. Now remember that log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So we are going to write this left-hand side as log 9 into log 9 plus log x. And of course, this is equal to log 8 into, breaking this apart, we have log 8 plus log x. And opening this bracket, we have log 9 times log 9, that is log squared 9 plus log 9 times log x. And this is equal to log 8 times log 8. Once more, we have log squared 8 plus log 8 times log x. Now let us move this term over to the left-hand side and move this constant term over to the right-hand side. When we do that, we have log 9 times log x minus log 8 times log x is equal to log squared 8 minus log squared 9. And of course, now you can see that we have log x and log x. So we can factorize. When we do that, we have log x into log 9 minus log 8. And of course, this is equal to log squared 8 minus log squared 9. Now, the next thing we are going to do, of course, is to divide both sides of this equation by log 9 minus log 8. And of course, this is going to take care of that. Now, notice that in this numerator, we have the difference of two squares. And of course, we can factorize this as log 8 minus log 9 multiplied by log 8 plus log 9. And then in the denominator, since we already have log 8 minus log 9, let us write this as minus log 8 minus log 9. Of course, you know that when we open this bracket, we are going to have minus log 8. Minus minus is plus, so this is going to be plus log 9, which is exactly what we have here. And of course, with this equation written in this form, this is going to cancel that to give us that log x is equal to minus log 8 plus log 9. But of course, we know that when we add these two logarithms, we are going to have minus log 8 times 9. And this is equal to minus log 72. 8 times 9 is equal to 72. And of course, you know that this is minus 1 times log 72. We can apply the power rule of logarithms to this. We can take up this multiplier minus 1 to become an exponent of 72. When we do that, this becomes log 72 to power minus 1. And of course, you know that this is the same as log 1 over 72. Now let us compare the two sides of this equation. We have that log x is equal to log 1 over 72. So that simply means that x is equal to 1 over 72. So the value of x that satisfies this logarithmic equation is 1 over 72. And of course, to check our answer, we are going to substitute 1 over 72 for x into the original equation. So on the left-hand side, we have log to base 8 of 9 times 1 over 72. And on the right-hand side, we have log to base 9 of 8 times 1 over 72. Now here we have log to base 8 of 9 into itself is 1 and into 72 is 8. This is 1 over 8. And we have log to base 9 of 1 over 9. Of course, this is log to base 8 of 8 to power minus 1. And this is log to base 9 of 9 to power minus 1. And of course, you remember that log to base a of a to power b is equal to b. So log to base 8 of 8 to power minus 1 is equal to minus 1. And log to base 9 of 9 to power minus 1 is equal to minus 1. And of course, minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So we have that when x is equal to 1 over 72, the left-hand side of this equation is equal to the right-hand side of this equation. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.